The next type of question that is possible in Qualtrics is the text or graphic question. If I click here, text, what you will see is that there is no more question here. The thing is that even a text block for an instruction is counted in Qualtrics as a question. So if you want to add instructions to your questionnaire, you need to create a question and then instruct Qualtrics to have it in the format of a text or graphic question. And then there is no response option for participants available, and you can type in whatever you want. You can also add media here, and I'll show that later in this instructional video. Now, the other options here in Qualtrics are often less used, but one that stands out specifically is the matrix table. And this is a very flexible way of asking questions, and it's generally a bit more compact than the multiple choice option. So here, for example, I could say something about personality questions, and I like to walk, I like to skate, and I like to swim. And in this matrix question, now there are now 3 questions embedded. You have to change these response skills, obviously, from not agree to neither agree nor disagree and agree. For example, I'm making up a response skill as I go. But now you have 3 questions in one neat block. If you're wondering how that looks, you go to preview and you'll see what your candidate will see, your participant will see. You can see that it's a very nice and condensed way of presenting questions to participants, and especially for psychological skills that measure attitudes, traits, motivation, what have you. This is a really nice format for questions.